Palm oil as a healthy and viable cooking medium in India. Okay. If you have any questions to Irfan, and Irfan is here to really tell us how healthy Malaysian palm oil is, you can shoot. Hello, check. Questions, anybody? I'll give you a mic, yes.
Irfan, hi. This is Shan. The question is coming from here. Yeah, you were just mentioning that you are very fond of cooking and food, and especially when you're traveling. So when it comes to traveling, do you really check out all the eateries when you are abroad and as well as India? If you can mention some of your favorites.
Obviously, as we all know that, cricketers do travel, so I travel a lot as well, and when you travel, you try to, you tend to try and, eat different food, and I have actually learned that as well while playing cricket. I was actually fortunate enough to travel through that, and some of the food like Thai food I really enjoy, as well as Chinese and Italian food I really enjoy when I travel, and I try and look to do that in every country, what's their local food as well. But majority I actually enjoy these 3 or 4 types of food, really well. But I don't mind trying new stuff as well.
So Irfan, since you
Apart from the international cuisine you mentioned, what about India?
In India, obviously, we have a lot of different kind of. It might sound like there is only one tandoori chicken or anything, but if you go from North India to South India, you find a different kind of tandoori chicken as well, like different marination in that as well. बहुत सारे अलग-अलग मसाले use होते हैं उसमें. So and the one in Mumbai, Paremi, I really like that. I really enjoy that as well. I keep going. Yeah, I really go there and enjoy it because it's there is no carbs, especially in chicken, and it's much healthier compared to when you put carbs in there like roti and rice and everything. So yeah, that's one particular I remember right now. But apart from that as well, like in India we have so many different kind of food as well. Like even right now, I really enjoy those street food as well, and I really do and eat. And I tell sometimes to just trouble my friends, I ask them to just get some food from other end of the city, so I can just make them work hard and we can have a good time. And I still keep trying different food.
So Irfan, since you represent the very popular sports cricket in India, so and being a public figure, when it comes to endorsing, what's your criteria of endorsing a product? How conscious are you about the pros and cons of the product?
Obviously, there has to be some sort of limit. As people know that me and my brother, we never go for any alcohol or cigarette brands. We've been very clear in that. Even when we play IPL, we make sure that we don't use those brands, even if it's with the team's brand. So I'm very particular on those, and especially apart from that as well. Like I'm being associated with Reebok for last 11 years, because Reebok has actually done really well in the country in terms of helping out a lot of youngsters as well. So those sort of criteria actually do matter to me. And I try to look into that when signing any of that.
इरफान ज़्यादातर अब्रॉड रहते हैं आप लोग, और खासकर इंग्लैंड अगर टूर हो उस समय किस चीज़ों का ध्यान देना पड़ता है, खासकर खाने पीने को लेकर? और दूसरी चीज़ 5 मैच की सीरीज है, इस पे क्या कहेंगे अभी जो होने वाली है?
देखिए, जब आप जब बाहर जाते हो, स्पेशली जहाँ पे ठंडा मुल्क होता है, वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा खाने पीने का ध्यान ज़्यादा रखना होता है, क्योंकि आपका गला जल्दी से खराब हो सकता है और आपको जुकाम हो सकता है. तो आपको खाने में जितने ज़्यादा आप विटामिन सी इस्तेमाल करें तो ज़्यादा बेहतर रहता है. ऑब्वियसली ये मैं सब टाइम के साथ मैंने लर्न किया है, और जितना गर्म खाना खाए, सूप ज़्यादा पिए तो उससे ज़्यादा हेल्प होता है. लेकिन और अगर आप टेस्ट सीरीज़ की बात करें तो ये बहुत लंबा सीरीज़ होने वाला है, एंड इंडिया का मुझे लगता है काफ़ी अच्छा चांस है, बिकॉज श्रीलंका ने भी उनको हराया है, एंड इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इंडिया भी वैसे ही इस्तेमाल करे और अच्छा करे.
हाय इरफान, आप देखने में बहुत फिट लग रहे हो और काफी हैंडसम भी लग रहे हैं. काफी मेंटेन किया आपने आप को.
Thank you so much. First of all, that's really nice of you. So do you. But Yeah, I'm just trying to look after my diet as much as I can. Try and get proper amount of, be there it's soil, be there it's protein and a lot of other nutrition, as well as try and cut down on my carbs. And I think carbs is the killer.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा क्या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आपका क्या इरादा है फिल्मों में आने का? किसी प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर कुछ बातचीत चल रही है या फिर सोच रहे हैं शायद अगर कोई एंट्री मिले तो?
नहीं, अभी तो फिलहाल बिल्कुल भी नहीं. क्रिकेट के बाद जब मैं क्रिकेट छोड़ूंगा उसके बाद पता नहीं, लेकिन अभी still long way to go for me in cricket because I need to achieve a lot of things and I started already training for the season. Ranji Trophy season आ रहा है 3 महीने के बाद, so उसके लिए मैं काम कर रहा हूँ and make sure that उसमें परफॉर्मेंस करूँ और इंडियन टीम में वापसी आऊँ. वो मेरा प्लान है ना कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री अभी फिलहाल.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा आपके फ्रेंड शीशन जो है वो झलक में डांस कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आपको नेक्स्ट झलक में अगर ऑफर मिले तो
Let's focus on the event.
I don't think India wants to see me dancing. I'm pretty bad.
Irfan, a big series for India is coming up, a 5-test series.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Consider India a bowling attack. Where do you think India's strength lies in the bowling attack?
Look, as I said, I'm still trying to make a comeback myself. For me to make out any weaknesses or strength of, not only India or anyone else won't be fair. You might get a lot of reaction later, in the few years coming time. But for me right now what I need to do is just concentrate on my own game and make sure that I really wish and pray that India wins in England, and that's what we all do. But apart from that, I can't comment anything. Only thing I'm looking forward to do is make sure try and come back. Once the season comes, I'll be ready, and I've already started training.
Okay, thank you very much.
Irfan, business end of the football tournament is already arrived. Who do you are supporting and who are your favorites?
I just like the sound of Brazil, Brazil is the country, but apart from that, I don't follow football.
इरफान, आजकल क्रिकेट काफी कंट्रोवर्शियल बन गया है. पहले शाहरुख वाला केस और अब प्रीति जिंटा का केस जो बहुत सामने आ रहा है, क्या कहेंगे आप? ऐसी सब चीजें क्यों आ रही है क्रिकेट के मैदान में?
देखिए, कोई भी नहीं चाहता कि कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ी करे. कोई इशू होते हैं वो कभी जितने होते हैं उससे ज्यादा बड़े बनाए जाते हैं. बट the good thing is the cricket is going really well. Mashallah, there are a lot of good people playing cricket, and I think that's what we want. And there are a lot of good cricketers playing good cricket, and that's what we need to enjoy that.
Okay, thank you very much.